Hello everybody. Today is on a review gonna be 3 car models. So we're gonna start from first one, and first on a review it's this Gt40 concept. Let's get open it and have a look what is inside. Wrong side. So here it is. I will gonna check. No, here is glued. I will not gonna take out from the box, from the stand. I will gonna just show you how it's presented. So opening bag, actually what I will do, I will actually add some cables to this model and make it a tiny adjustments with the paint job, but the rest of the model is quite nicely presented engine. And opening doors, this part I will not gonna open, but interior, what I can tell, it's looking nice, to be honest. This is model from I don't see brand.
Maybe just Ford producer.
No, it's box is 4GT concept, but I don't see brand. I don't know even. Forging. Interesting. Pulse Models Art. That's the Pulse Models Art. Yeah. 4GT. Another model is gonna be from Anson. This is Anson Cadillac Eldorado. That's how it unbox. Let's get into it. That's how it looks from all sides. I see on Anson boot is not opening. Here is opening only doors. Have a look interior. Another side doors. And engine section. That's the whole model. Oh, nicely presented model. Seats made out of plastic. I will definitely add second color to the seats to will be brown and black interior, or even put material like Alcantara inside. That will be much better looking. So, but I think I will gonna leave it as it is. Nicely presented model. And third model is, it will be Maisto Dodge Viper. This is my childhood dream car. This one. Sports version, Dodge Viper GTS 2. That's amazing model, honestly. For Maisto, presented quite beautifully. It will be difficult to remove from the box. Whole box is coming apart. I've not been expecting that. Let's just get at these models. So I will gonna need to fix it, this box, as it's here is a wee tiny crack only on the box. So here it is. Let's open it. Everything what is opens. So first, doors. Double colored interior, blue and black, nicely presented, made in plastic, but looks like this section where is blue, it's rubbered, and door cards as well in blue and black made. Opening window. Here is actually looking like that's missing some wheel, I think, but I'm not too sure. Is it supposed to be or not? Please leave comments down below who have this model. Is it supposed to be some spare wheel or not? And engine section. Oh, nice. Engine section is presented quite beautifully. This painted in red, all cables attached. What I can say, for Maisto, this is amazingly presented model. Recommended to buy this model who are fan of Dodge Vipers, because presented quite beautifully. And for today was been review for these three beautiful models, for Viper, Anson, Cadillac, and this Ford. Please leave it comments down below what you think about these models. And if, for example, you would like to purchase them, they will be on my profile on eBay. I have these models in doubles, that's why I reviewed them, and I will gonna put them for sale. For today, I'm done. See you in the next videos. Have a good day and bye bye.